Hey there, dental warriors. I'm Oli Omoba, your go-to girl for keeping your license ready and thriving. If you're a foreign trained dentist and Canada feels like a cold, confusing jungle, don't worry, you are not alone. Today, I'm breaking it all down. The two main pathways of becoming a dentist in Canada, tips to stay afloat while you study, real life funding options, and how to get your groove back even if you've taken a long break. So grab your drink or your composite kit. Let's drill into it. Okay, let's talk shop. There are two major ways of becoming a licensed dentist in Canada. One is structured like a toothbrush, nice, neat, and easy to follow. The other is like a dental floss. You have to thread it yourself, but it still gets the job done. If you want to go back to school, you will have to apply to a dental school either in Canada or the USA. You will likely need to write the ADAT exams or the INBDE. Some schools require a bench test or a CASPER test. Once you're admitted into school, you will have to complete 2 or 3 years program and then you graduate with a DDS. Then you write the OSCE licensing exams in Canada. This route is expensive, it's competitive, and it's not for the faint-hearted. But if you're looking for structured training, this might be for you. If you do not wish to go back to school, you create an NDEB profile, you get your credentials evaluated and verified. You write the AFK exams, the ACG exams, and the NDECC. It is a two-component exam, the situational judgment and the clinical skills. Here is the kicker. The clinical skills has 8 projects and you must pass all at once. One fail, you retake the entire exam. Ouch. In 2024, the NDEB introduced a bridging course called the ACFD. It is a 10 months program that may exempt you from the NDECC clinical exams eventually. But let's just say it's still in the pipeline, and NDEB seems to be testing the waters and also your wallets. Let's talk about cash. This journey isn't cheap. You are not just investing money, you are investing in your future license. Every coin counts. Most of these exams and programs are self-funded. Some provinces may offer a little help. My advice, get a job, preferably in the dental field, pass your probation period, start investing in your exams after you're financially stable. Some candidates also explore the CIBC professional line of credit, but is usually only accessible if you've already registered with the NDEB. All right, you're on the path. Now what? This might look heavy, and guess what? It is. But with the right study group, mentorship, and strategy, it is absolutely doable. For all of these exams, there are free study groups on Facebook and WhatsApp. You can also have paid lecture classes if you want to go that route. I also offer private coaching, sometimes pro bono, but conditions apply. No matter your stage, there is a resource for you, and don't be shy. Mentorship is part of our DNA in this community. While you wait for exams, don't just sit at home sterilizing anxiety. Here are jobs that keep your hands and your hopes thriving. Certified dental assistant, chairside assistant, treatment coordinator, steri tech, research assistant, dental receptionist, clinical instructor, and lots more. These roles give you insight into Canadian practice and you earn while you learn. It's a win-win. Do you want to become a certified dental assistant in Canada as a foreign trained dentist? Check out my step-by-step video on that exact topic. It saves you months of guesswork. And if you're preparing for the NDAEB written exams, you don't want to miss my fun and practical guide on how to pass it the first time. The link is in the description box below. Are you thinking of jumping ship to the US, New Zealand, or Australia? With full NDEB certification, you can sit the New Zealand's DREX exams or apply via the ADC in Australia. The US states that may accept NDEB certifications are Minnesota, Massachusetts, Virginia, and Washington State. Double check the current rules. Most will require proof of Canadian licensure and clinical experience. Always call the dental board before packing your bags. Look, I know this process can feel like pulling a wisdom tooth without anesthesia, but you are not alone. Whether you're starting after a long break, or juggling kids, dinner, and clinical prep, or feeling like your dreams have plaque buildup, you have got this. It's not just about passing exams, it's about finding your confidence again and walking boldly in your purpose. Don't let your handpiece rust. Stay sharp, stay focused, and keep moving forward. And if you need help, I'm Oli. I've got your back. Drop your questions in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell for more license ready content. And hey, before you grab that dental mirror, yes, the one you've tucked away, look yourself in the eyes, not the patient, and say, my skills are still sharp, my dreams are still valid, and this fire is still burning. So don't let your dreams decay. Polish your pebbles, floss your focus, and keep drilling forward. See you in the next video, and remember, even if your journey started rough, we are still polishing that smile together.